This video is sponsored by Rockland Flooring. Visit our website for more information.
Among the many truck components that fall victim to the harsh winter, one of the most prominent is the battery. Between the no starts and the freezing, it's hardly an exaggeration to say that a dead battery is a death sentence for that truck's uptime and productivity. Now you might be thinking, that's winter, why are we talking about this now? I've got more pressing things to deal with, I'll worry about that in the winter. Well, contrary to what many believe, the time to avoid winter's effects on the truck's batteries is actually in the summer. The damage done from the heat and vibration of summer use will reveal itself in winter's cold, industry experts say. Not to keep putting words in your mouth, but at this point you might be wondering, if the damage is being done in the summer, why does it not show itself until winter? The answer has to do with how much more work it is to start a truck in cold climates in the winter. The cold makes everything about starting a truck more difficult and less efficient, which means the batteries will need to work harder to crank the engine. And this is especially true after a long, hot summer. Summer heat accelerates battery aging, weakening battery performance. The winter brings the need for more cranking ability and more current to start the truck, which can highlight the reduced capacity that developed over the summer months. In the winter months, the biggest battery challenge can be no starts. Heat over the summer months causes fleets to more deeply discharge the batteries to cool the cab, while the heat also causes damage to the electrochemistry of the battery. As the weather cools, the loads on the batteries are reduced, but the damage from summer is still there. So how can these issues be resolved? The battery experts we interviewed for this story offer the following list of good practices for the summer, winter, and all year round. Number 1, choose the right battery for the application, keeping in mind that the least expensive battery is not always the right call. Number 2, make sure your batteries are fully charged and connections are tight and clean. Number 3, properly test the cables on the truck. And number 4, include a battery check in your regular maintenance. For even more trucking and equipment content, head over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.